Let's install Hadoop 3.3.0 on Windows 10. Click the binary section of 3.3.0. I will paste this link in the description below. Click the mirror link and your download will be continued. Now that we had downloaded Hadoop, we need to download Java SDK 8. I already have Java SDK 8 in my PC. So open the command prompt to see Java is installed successfully or not. For that, type Java C. As you can see, the list of options appear related to Java. It means it's working fine. You can also see the version of Java using command java-version. It means Java is working fine. Now let's install Hadoop. My Hadoop downloaded successfully, as you can see. Now we need to extract this file. So here is my extracted file. You can see the files of Hadoop 3.3.0. We have to copy this folder and paste it in C drive. Our Hadoop folder copy here successfully. Then go into the etc folder. Here we have to edit 5 different files: core site.xml, hdfs site.xml, map red site.xml, and the fourth one is yarn site.xml, and the last one is Hadoop env.cmd. Now let's begin with the core site.xml, and here between the configuration tab we have to write this property. Copy this property from this file and paste it here. I will share the link of this file in the description. Now let's move toward the map red site.xml. Copy this property and paste it here. And then let's edit yarn site.xml. We will paste these 2 properties here. Then save it. Now let's edit hdfs site.xml. Before editing this file, we have to create 2 folders in Hadoop folder. And here inside the Hadoop folder, we have to create a new folder named data. Then go inside the data and create 2 folders named name node, and the other one is data node. It's data node. Now we need the paths of these 2 folders, data node and the name node, in the hdfs. Now copy these properties and paste it in the hdfs file here and save it. Now let's go to the Hadoop env file. Here we have to make a change. We have to remove this variable. We have to provide it with the path of Java. For this, go to the environment variable, click the environment variable, go to the Java home, edit, and copy this path. Click OK and paste it here. You have to remove this bin folder from here and save it. Now we need to edit the environment variable. For the environment variable, you can go to the main menu and type in my environment variable. Click on the environment variable tab, click on the Hadoop home and edit. You have to paste the Hadoop bin folder path here. Copy this path and paste it here. Click OK. Then click on the path and edit. You have to add the 2 paths of bin folder and sbin. Now add the path of bin folder here, then add the path of sbin folder here, which you find inside the Hadoop folder. Copy this path and paste it here, then click OK, then click OK, then OK. Now there is just one more thing we have to do. We have to set our bin folder. There is some missing files. Copy that files from the configuration file, which is given in the description below. You can extract this file. Open this file. Here you can find a bin folder. Now you have to delete the bin folder from the Hadoop 3.3.0, which is inside the C drive. Open this and delete this bin folder from here. Then copy this bin folder from configuration file and paste it here. Open this bin folder. Here you can see all the files are here. Finally, your installation is completed. Open the command prompt to see the installation was successful or not. For that, write hdfs name node space format dash format. Then you can see the name node successfully formatted. So now there is no issue. Now let's run all the daemons and check that. So to start all the daemons, type start dash dfs. Here you can see the daemons name node and data node are started. Then type start dash yarn to start the yarn daemons. So you can see the yarn daemons are started. So the installation is completed.